Step 1. Geometrical forms. Hi friends, I'm back. I'm Paper Pretty. And who have I brought for you today? The famous Viju sir. And what's he making for us today? Let's watch. See those shapes dropping on the green panel there? He's drawing those on me with that spectacular pencil in his hand. One circle, two triangles, two circles, two rectangles. Step 2. Scribble. Yes, he's going to scribble over me with that wonderful pencil of his. Well, the pencil is pretty ordinary, but the moment he picks it up, it really becomes extraordinary. What with those wonderful figures and cartoon characters that he makes over me? Who is he making today? Can you guys guess? Well, it's pretty faint yet, but we'll guess it, I'm sure. Those looks like eyebrows and eyes and a nose. Hey guys, that looks like somebody very famous. That looks like Angry Birds to me. What say? Yes, I think, yeah, it's Angry Birds. Step 3. Inking. Yes, now we'll see better with that black pen of his moving swiftly over me. Oh, look at those angry eyes. What anger! What anger for such a little bird! Do you know who Angry Birds is? Of course you must be. Well, the story goes this way, that the pigs have stolen the birds' eggs, and so the birds are very angry. That's why they look so angry. And the game is such that you have to catapult the wingless birds into the big structure to destroy them. It's such a wonderful game. The people are thoroughly delighted with those quirky sounds. Oh, it's a fun thing to play. Yes, our angry bird has really taken shape now. And that's the cute little tail. Step 4. Coloring. Oh, once he colors it, it will really look very nice, I'm sure. And look at those lines that he's making. Those are kind of boundaries. He's keeping some area for highlighting, I'm sure. Well, I'm becoming an artist myself nowadays. Thanks to Viju, of course. There, again another boundary that he's drawn. For those highlights and shadows that he puts at the end. How he's making some margins and filling up the colors so swiftly. Oh my, he's such an expert. What a ferocious angry bird that is. Now what is he going to do next? Let's watch. It's pretty simple to look at the angry bird, but can you see what kind of detailing he does? And what now? Yes, another shade of color. A darker tone. And that cute little hair on the head. Oh, she's looking more and more angry to me now. With those colors taking shape. Oh, that's a softer color there. There's a very faint blue that he's used. Oh, he made it more grayish. Look at those eyebrows. Oh my. Oh, what anger, angry bird. What anger. Oh, that's the shadow on the ground. Oh, how smart, Vijay sir. I think he's almost done. Well, Vijay sir, wonderful. Thank you.